Okay, so in this video, I'll show you how to change the rear third tail light in your Hyundai Elantra. So to start with, we'll get in your trunk. So this will show you how to change this third tail light in the Elantra. If you look and see, it's right here. You're gonna twist this counterclockwise. That pops right out. I'm gonna flip the camera over now so you can see it while I'm working on it. Alright, there it is. Alright, so there's your light. I generally don't touch light bulbs with my bare hands. You can leave oil on it, and in the old light bulbs they burn out faster. So just make sure you have a pair of gloves on. To get the light bulb out, you're gonna push it in and then counterclockwise. Comes right out very easily. Then to put your new light bulb in, you're gonna just put it in, press in, clockwise, and there it is. Very easy, very simple. As a reminder, below in the description, I will have a YouTube video list of all the different things I've managed to figure out how to do in this vehicle. I'll have that list for you if you want to look at it. I will also have an Amazon list with all the components and parts that I have found on Amazon. So your light bulb, obviously, for this video, your air filters, brakes, things like that. And then to get it back in, just put it in, and then spin it clockwise, locks right into place. So that's that third brake light. So that's how you change your rear third brake light in this Elantra. Any questions, check out the FAQs below first. It could save you some time. Leave me a comment if you have to. I do get to those every day. Thanks so much for watching. Look forward to seeing you on my next video.